kirikaniro atuona cihanda thaa 10 niguka na matemo ma mohoro nimo maya njitagwo wa weru wa Nyambura. Mucirithania munene wa tene David Maraga ni okirire ministry ogima wa mwiri akiuga ndiratwarithia na mbere maundu uria gubatie undu uria utigite a Kenya ingi magicakaya ni ruo rwa kwaga motungata morigiti. Maraga augite ati kuronekana ta kwina undu urahithirirwo o riria rurenda rwa SHA rwa guithirio na ongereire ati minister Eden Duale ni kuhenia ahenirie a Kenya akiuga ati ni ahingire thibitari iria ciakungagia wara marihine ma SHA.
The EACC has powers to investigate those kind of crimes. All that the president is supposed to do is to disclose to EACC the raw intelligence information he has for them to investigate. He is under duty. He is under duty under the Constitution to have those people prosecuted. In fact, the whole back stops at his door. All this, SHA is something he has urged Kenyans to get into. So he knows the whole system. So when all this is happening, this is not happening without his knowledge. So action must be taken. And that's what, in my view, the Kenyans are demanding.
Rere ministry ogima wa mwiri iramukira igutha kuma miena na miena kanjo ya magavana ni yumiritie kuregana na itua ria ministry no ria guthamia maabitha a urigiti aria mari rungu rwa UHC guthie county-ini. Magavana maroiga ati matiakuruhanirio gukinyaniria itua riri. Kanjo ino yugite ati nginya ministry ya kigina ige keheri-ini kigina gia gutereba mubango wa guthamiria maabitha a UHC makiria ma 7,000 county-ini kuma mweri turorete. Oho magavana aya maugite ati no muhaka makorwo marihitwo mathire mao mothe mubango uyu ugikinyanirio.
The Ministry of Health should therefore settle all the gratuity payments for each staff before the transition to county governments. The council reiterates its earlier commitment to absorb the verified UHC staff and facilitate their salaries in line with the approved SRC salary scales once the allocation of the resources have been disbursed to the counties as well as the gratuity obligations have been honored. Ladies and gentlemen, the Council of Governors recommends that the national government, through the Ministry of Health, allocates and channels the attendant resources to county governments through DORA to facilitate the absorption of UHC staff as per the county HR policy, failure to which the absorption of UHC staff will be unattainable.
President William Ruto ni atugiritie family ya Aga Khan ne uigithia wayo sekta-ini cia ugima wa mwiri, githomo na maria maturigiceirie. President aritio ari thingiraine wa iregi hindi ya gwikiranira ngirimiti ya uruti wa wira na Rahim Al-Hussein Aga Khan wa gatano uria niwe mutongoria wa dini ya Aithiramu ya Ashia Ismaili. Unyitaniri uyu ukuhura njeki makiria waki wa nyumba cia thogora wa thi na mubango wa gutheria ruwi rwa Nairobi. Aga Khan ni ahetwo ngoga ya Order of Golden Heart kumana na wira wake guku bururi-ini.
In addition, the Aga Khan Foundation has supported nearly 1,000 public schools, benefiting hundreds of thousands of pupils and teachers. Initiatives like Schools 2030, which Kenya co-hosted this year, reaffirm our shared commitment to innovation and excellence in education. Equally impressive is the Development Network's environmental work. In just 3 years, 1.5 million trees have been planted in Kenya by the network, much of it in the Mau Forest, as part of a wider global program that has planted over 100 million trees in Asia and Africa. Your Highness, the people of Kenya hold you and the Imamat in the highest esteem. Today, we honor you not only as a leader, but also as a partner and a friend. We do so with confidence that the bonds between us will grow even stronger, driving forward a shared vision of dignity, justice, and prosperity for our people, for our region, and for humanity. Thank you very much, and welcome to Kenya.
Borithi mwena wa Kangũrũwe Kayole ni marathuthuria gĩko kĩmwe kũrĩa ng'ondu makĩria ma 50 ihithũkĩtio ithĩnjĩtwo na ingĩ 40 kuonekana irĩ muoyo ihingĩrĩtwo gĩthĩnjĩro-inĩ kĩmwe kĩa magendo. Agĩkĩra ũhoro ũyũ mũkonde, komanda wa borithi mwena wa Njirũ John Worth orĩtie mũndũ o wothe ũngĩkorwo aiyĩtwo mahiũ make ahũre riboti ceceni-inĩ ya borithi ya Kayole kũrĩa ekwĩrwo 5 maikĩtio ngono na makahingĩrwo.
Uhaguku wa ũgitĩri ũkoretwo wĩhĩrĩirie matũũra-inĩ ma Kangũrũwe Kayole. Aikari magĩtetania ũrĩa mahiũ mao makoretwo makĩũra na njĩra ĩrĩ kĩriga, o ta aruna ao matũũra-inĩ matiganĩte gĩtarũ-inĩ gĩa gatagatĩ kũrĩa ũici wa mahiũ wĩhĩrĩirie ica-inĩ ikuhĩ. No aikari a Kangũrũwe Kayole makĩnyitwo nĩ kĩmako thutha wa kũhithũkio kwa makĩria ma ng'ondu 50 ithĩnjĩtwo.
Mimi nimetoka shughuli zangu, napita hapa nasikia tu mbuzi. Sasa ile tukipita hapa tunasikia tu hadi na watu tunapata watu wameungana hapa, tunashindwa mwongozano ni ya nini.
Kwa mbuzi tumekuta zimeibiwa, lakini ni kondoo hatujui kwenye zilikuwa zimetoka ni wapi. Na wizi si wa kuambia saa hii wameiba nyingi. Hata zangu mimi zimekuliwa zaidi ya mbuzi 15.
Gĩthĩnjĩro gĩkĩ kĩa Ngungo gĩkoretwo gĩgĩtabanĩrio ciĩko ici nĩ andũ matoĩkaine na gũkinyagia rĩu gũtikũrĩkanĩte kũrĩa mahiũ maya makoretwo makĩrutwo.
Mbuzi zenye zilikuwa uhai, zenye ziko uhai ni 40. Lakini hizi zingine zenye zimesijwa ni over 60.
Mwenye sasa kuchinja hadi hatumjui. Kazi yake yeye anasema sijui anaitisha huko kuiva nyama nini.
Kiasi fulani ya kama 50 zilikuwa zimechinjwa. So the remains carcass ndio ilipatikana. Lakini zile haikuwa imechinjwa, imepatikana karibu 38-40.
Andũ 5 nĩ maikĩtio ngono na kũhingĩrwo ceceni-inĩ ya borithi ya Kayole na megũteithĩrĩria harĩ ũthuthuria makĩria. Ng'ondu ingĩ 40 irĩ muoyo nĩ ihithũrĩtio, mũndũ angĩkorwo aiyĩtwo mahiũ make akĩũrio kũhũra riboti.
Tunafanya uchunguzi, hatujajulikana vizuri hizi vitu iliibiwa wapi. Lakini mpaka sasa tumeshika watu kama 5 wale wamehusika na uchunguzi inaendelea. Kama umewahi poteza kondoo, kuja kwa Kayole Police Station uonane na OCS uangalie kama ni hizo.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Karega wa Buthia.
Onjoria a Muguka kaunti-inĩ ya Meru arĩa marahamũrithirio kuma Chicago mbere ya rũgongo nĩ magĩte na kũndũ kũngĩ gwa gũtabanĩria biacara ciao gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa ũmbunge kĩa Runyenjes. Ciumia 3 hĩtũku nĩguo kwĩrĩga gũtuthũka ngũĩ iria ciacũngĩrĩirie andũ 6 magurare. Wangari Maria wa Mũigana ena ũhoro makĩria.
Nĩ ithithi cia mwĩhoko iria cihumbĩte mothiũ ma onjoria aya a Muguka thutha wa kũgĩa thoko njerũ.
Tulikuja hapa Ugweri na tukakaribishwa vizuri, mpaka hata mbunge wa hapa akakuja kutukaribisha. Sasa tunasema ya kwamba watu wa hapa ni watu wakarimu na walitukaribisha vizuri na tunasema asante.
MP wa hapa alitukaribisha vizuri sana. Kuna chifu wa area hii pia wa hapa Ugweri alitukaribisha, na watu wa hapa landlord wa hapa pia walitukaribisha na wakatupea manyumba, wakatuambia tunaweza fanya na wao kazi, na walifurahia kuwa pamoja na sisi.
Mahali hapa ni mahali pazuri, tulikaribishwa na MP na akatuambia mambo mazuri sana. Akatuambia hata tukitaka kuoa tuoe huku, tukitaka kuolewa wengine waolewe huku, biashara iko sawa hapa.
Onjoria aya marakoretwo mahamũrithio kuma itũra-inĩ rĩa Chicago mbere ya rũgongo kũrĩa kwa mĩaka mĩingĩ nĩguo maratabanagĩria biacara yao ya kwendia Muguka.
na tutaendelea kushirikiana nao ndio tuendeleze biashara yetu ya miraa, ndio tuwe tunapata mapato yetu inatufaidi na inafaidi hata wakaazi wa hapa.
Na hata manyumba wakitupea wanatupea wakiwa wanafurahia sana, hawatuitizi hata deposit, wanatuambia leteni hata ngiri 2 utaleta hizo zingine. Hao watu ni wazuri, wametukaribisha vizuri sana, tunaendelea na biashara zetu, tuko sawa sana.
Onjoria aya metharire thutha wa ngahiha iria ciatumukire ciumia 3 hituku kurumirira wongerereku wa uici wa nduthi na gukigia na mwikuaniro gatagati ka ahuri biashara aya na mwahu wa aikari.
Hiyo vita walianza kutupiga na misale na mawe na mapanga na kuchoma manyumba yetu hapo na manduka kuchoma, na walianza masaa ya asubuhi na hatukuelewa kamili ni nini iliendelea. Na kwa siku ya kwanza hiyo vita ilianza ikaendelea, hatukupata hatukuona reinforcement. Askari wale walikuwa pale walikuwa wachache, hatukuelewa ni nini.
Ngahiha-ini icio andu 6 ni magurarire, riu muingi ukienda honge cia thirikari cigacirithie ugitiri.
Hawa watu hata walipochoma manduka na kutoa vitu walienda mpaka kwa mtaa kutoa manguo, walikuwa wanatoa mpaka nguo za watoto, wanaenda na kila kitu, na hii mambo iliendelea for 3 days. Hata siku ya 4 ni kama bando ilikuwa inaendelea na hatukupata haki mali pale, ndio tulikimbilia hapo Ogweri.
Ahuri biashara aya riu mariendagiria thoko-ini ya Ugweri iria iri gicigo-ini kia ubunge kia Runyenjes. Gerifotera Inoro TV, Geto wa Maria wa Muigana.
Arutwo magithie na mbere na gucokereria thukuru tamu ya gatatu kiumia giki, thirikari ni thingatitwo itigirire kigina gia kurugamirira mathomo ni gia kinya thukuru gutari na muhinga. Mubunge wa kaunti ya Nyeri Rahab Mukami niwe wikitie ritana riri, akiuga ati ni uhoro wa kieha kuona arutani anene meguthinika ni kwaga kigina gia kuiga arutwo thukuru. Aritio hindi ya kuheana basari ya muigana wa ciringi milioni 5.2. Aciari a arutwo aya maroiga ati ni makwamuritwo na njira nene kuona matikoretwo no hoti wa kurugamirira mathomo ma ciana ciao riri thogora wa muturire uthiete na mbere na kwambatira.
Cia ndia turaga thiurukite muno na ngari ya muno ndironete nginya mwihoko, no tha ici ni ndona huiru cia ndi mukenu muno ngacoka ni nderero nginya ni nguheo irio to ni ndirathiurukaga tu kiria geti kwa geti ngihoyaga ngiuma thibitari, ndoka guku ndaga gia kuria ngathie ngihoyaga thibitari micii kwa micii nigetha ndakinya nyumba nyone gia kurugira mwana.
Athomagira tomo school for the deaf, koguo muthenya wa umuthi ndi mukenu ni ndaheo ceki ya mwana uyu ndimutwarire cukuru akihinga arari na thire wa 25 na ni njui ici ndaheo ni ikuguithaguithia na ni njui Ngai no akuruta kiama kingi na nigetha mwana uyu athome na ni ngoretwo ngigerera mathina maingi giikaro giakwa.
Ritana riakwa kuri thirikari ni mbeca igatumwo mahinda maria magiri, mbeca igatumwo hindi iria ciagiriire tondu principals ni mathinikaga muno tondu ciana ciathie thukuru na githomo ni giatwikire ni giatuhu ringi mathia magakora nginya matire na irio cia kuhe ciana na ciana ni reportire. Koguo ni ngwenda guthaitha thirikari na uhoro ucio no tukoretwo tukiaria kuria bunge, mbeca igatumagwo riria ciagiriire nigetha ciana ithie na mbere na githomo kiao nigetha tutika interfere runo na twi third term na ciana ni guthii gwika igeranio. Koguo ma fast track mbeca ikinya macukuru uria mahinda maria magiriire. Njoke njuge uhoro wa mbeca kuigana kana kwaga kuigana, sometimes thirikari no ende gukorwo igitikia ya githomo kia mundu wothe, no ringi thirikari no iremwo, no thirikari ndiraremwo tondu ni iraremwo tondu gutire muheshimiwa ucaguritwo utari basari. MP zothe tarugo guku thiini wa Nyeri County all the 6 constituencies ni kuri basari. Kiria ni ndiragiria guthaitha heshimiwa itu no tugerie muno kwambaga guteithia ciana iria the most needed children, ciana icio igathie thukuru na utige kuhe mwana ciringi 2,000 kana 3,000 tondu kuri mwana uguthie muhe 5,000 tamu wengi ndagathoma. Tau no na he kana ndareherwo haha kairi tuko gatiathire thukuru last term na tamu ino ningi gatiguthiaga ikubidi nyandike maru.
Munini wa muigi kigina kiama-ini kia arutani a thukuru cia secondary Kupet Ronald Tanui ni oritie thirikari hingie kiraniro kiayo gia kuongerera arutani mushara. Akiaria ari kaunti-ini ya Naroko, Tanui oritie thirikari itie ngirimiti iria mekiranire kirore amu ni makoretwo na wetereri wa kuigana na thogora wa muturire wi iguru na gukiri uguo ni marabatara mushara wao wongongererwo.
issue which we needed to address and handle in this in the last CPA negotiation was the issue of taking care of the interests of the classroom teacher, who was not considered in the CPA of 2017 to 2021. This was the main agenda of the union. It was unfortunate that this was not considered. The classroom teacher got only a salary increase of about 600 shillings. Just the peanuts after waiting for more than 8 years for a salary increase. 2 years ago, about 4,000 teachers left TSC to Public Service Commission. They were transferred to Public Service Commission. Those who are teaching in DVET institution. They are PED graduates. And because of the stagnation which is there prevalent in TSC, they were equated with their counterparts in public service who graduated to them at the same time. And they moved direct from job group L to B without interviews. And therefore, there is a need to ensure that these job groups are harmonized. Those was in Public Service Commission and Teacher Service Commission. This was needs to be relooked. It doesn't need to wait for the next CPA. This is a discrimination which is ongoing. It can be handled at this point in time.
Hau neho tugutirihira mohoro maitu muthenya wa muthe mohoro mangi ukumamukira ona cihanda thaa 1 na thaa 3 ukireherwo ni Michael Jenga. Tucemania muthenya wa rucio na uririkane muthenya wa rucio niguo bunge ya Senate irambiriria ihenya ria gutuikania ngongo ria thikũ 3 ria guthikiriria cira wa kuhagurwo kwa governor wa Kericho. Hau neho tugutirihira mohoro maitu ngena hwaini mwega handu-ini handu rĩothe twanyitanĩra nao tugitongorwo ni Karo wa nyina wa Besi turaguikia mwena ũrĩa ũngĩ thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Mwĩgangaro Jonato Gĩkonyore Ses Nyambura wa Kabue na DJ Smiles. Niĩ njĩtagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.